Great video here, guys, from Dane, geoengineeringwatch.org. Really good video. When I commercial fish, I use high power spotlights, and we now see a fallout from the sky. It's a dust particles in the light source. Never seen it before, and I've fished my whole life. Not like we see it now. Here's what's fallen from the sky. Y'all can do your own research as well.
Hey, good morning everybody. It's Wednesday. I want to make a little video today to reach out to all the contrail people who try to say that all we're seeing in the sky is contrails, it's water vapor. So get this. Here's a car that I just detailed it and got it ready for sale. Last week I waxed it, buffed it, polished it, did all that. It was perfectly clean. The following day, or days, they were spraying aerosol chemicals in the sky, contrails. And I want to show everybody proof that there's metallic particles being seeded into the clouds, into the sky. So here's the dust that the snow left behind. So I'm using a clean new razor blade to scrape this dust up into a pile. And now let me show you. I have a clean magnet here. Watch this. Look at that. It's magnetic particles. Now, if you read the patents for geoengineering, two of the primary ingredients are barium and strontium, both highly magnetic materials. Now, all we have to do for the next step is get this material tested, and it'll prove if it's exactly what's in the geoengineering patents. Hope y'all do some research and start waking up. Have a good day, guys.
Okay, here's another one just showing what is coming down in your precipitation. It's in your air. It's in everything. You see all this dirty filthiness everywhere. This happened after it rained just a couple days ago. Tons of engineering going on. And a lot of people like to tell me this is all just brake dust. Well, that's a lot of brake dust, especially for someone living out in Montana, away from basically all industrial activity. And for anyone thinking this is pollen, maybe you could tell me why pollen sticks to a magnet. Barium, strontium, couple elements in climate engineering right there, listed as magnetic or ferromagnetic. They'll react to magnets. Could be iron in that too, but that is in all of your precipitation, and it is everywhere. Try it for yourself.
Please watch this, guys. I've been trying to share this for years and years that they're doing all this. Dane's really risking his life trying to show us this information, and people ridicule us. They say we're crazy, but we actually know what is going on. We understand their technology that they lie to you about. They are pretending they are just now discovering they can spray the clouds. They've been doing it since the 60s. I see film footage from movies from 1991 that's clearly spraying going on. Please share and wake up your neighbors and your friends to this technology. We cannot just let it happen. We need to wake up. Everything is a lie on TV. Everything is a distraction. All your TVs, movies, video games, it's a distraction. Quit paying attention to the garbage and wake up to the truth. Commercial Fisherman out.